Control access in data link layer. So we talk about random access. Random access, what it does, it will allow all the people like transfer the data at a time, but collision will happen. Here, it won't allow everyone at a time. It will allow one at a time. What it is, control access refers to a method used for determine how multiple stations or devices in a network can access a shared communication channel. So not mentioned at the same time. Okay, unlike random access methods where station compete to transmit data, control access ensures that only station is transmitting at a given time, preventing collisions and ensuring fairness. The station must consult with one another, so talking to each other, consult to each other. For who has the right to send the data. So three methods: reservation, polling, and token passing. Very simple. Let's talk about reservation. Reservation method. The time is divided into fixed intervals. So it's like how many stations are there. So particular the stations will be separated. So each station has to reserve the time slot. It's a slot they'll just come and do. For example, you have seen most of the booking for actually decathlon sport or others where time slot will be let for you to decide and select. At the time you can whatever is there you can do. It's like that, similar to that. So minute slot, the time is divided into intervals. Each interval starts with the reservation frame, which contains several minute slots, each assigned to a different station. Time slots are there, and that also mini slots are there. Whoever has a reservation will get that slot, and then data is reservation. If station needs to send data, it makes a reservation and its designated mini slot. So data transmission after frame stations that have reserved their mini slot can send their data. Example, in a system with 5 stations. Okay, so here what you are saying, there are five stations. Okay, one is sorry, four data stations are here, and then reservation frame are there. So what happened according to reservation? See, though it is one station one is here, station one is here. Okay, and so 4 is here and 3 is here. So first one does reserved. Then 4 wanted to do, it has one by one reserved. So 1 wanted to reserve again it got, you see, do at the same time. When it wanted to transmit, it reserved, right? So again it is reserved like that. Whereas polling is nothing but two things are there. Here one primary station is there, one secondary station is there. Primary station decides first to whom, like primary station asks one by one to the other secondary station whether they want to send or not. If they want to send, primary will send a select frame. They have to select that and send an acknowledgement that they are ready to transmit the data. If the secondary station does not want to transmit data, they will say no acknowledge. You can simply read this once, pause and read. It's very helpful for you. Then example, they have said primary station polls each secondary station. If the secondary station has data, it sends it. If not, it responds with NAK. Negative acknowledged. The primary station acknowledges the data when received. Main disadvantage is that if the primary station fails, then the whole network system falls. Token passing. So token passing, nothing. There is a logical ring topology. So one will have a token. So if who is having token only can pass the data. The token is passed either in both the directions, either forward or backward. So like that, that will be having say logical ring topology. Station from forms a logical ring. Each station has a predecessor and successor. One is so it's in a thing. Token management. Token is given the session the right to the send data. Gives the session the right to send the session has the data to send. It waits for a token. When it gets a token, it starts sending. If token failure management, if token fails, a new token should be regenerated. Token shouldn't be lost. If it is lost, it should be regenerated. There are various topologies like star ring, bus token bus, dual ring, physical ring. See, the concept is same, but just the routes are different. So even the bus, it won't be like up and down. It will follow the ring itself like that. So key points are here, conclusions are here. I have explained actually fast, but a very easy manner. So if you just pause and read this once, so it will be very helpful for you to understand. So this is just one what to say comparison of three. You can just read this by pausing it. Then we'll move on for solving these problems from the model paper. Hope so we will be able to answer everything.